because we don't win in this night.
You expect to get goal so fast?
No, that's why I'm disappointed, because we don't come good in the game, and to get goal in 47 seconds is not good, not professional for us. But it's happened.
You had a much better second half, though.
Yes, because we play with more confidence. We try to press more the Beitar Jerusalem, and we try to do our best. It's good for us because we win, but I'm sad because Barda injured again.
Can you explain why he came already injured?
I don't know. This you must ask our doctor. I don't know these things. I know he get injured and he cannot play. I think with him in the field we can win this game.
Video about you, it looks like that you don't in your best shape.
Yeah, maybe it's true, because I think all the team is not in the best shape. We cannot be all the season in the best shape. We try to do our best and try to recover our strength very soon, because we have an important game Wednesday, and I think for us, for our team, is our best objective to get the cup.
Why don't you explain the extreme difference between the first half and the second half? Now, the second half you've been much better, all the team.
I tell you, we come with much more confidence. We don't have nothing to lose, so we play more high. We go with more confident with the press, and we succeed better than first half.
Is something mental in the team lately?
I don't know.
You know,
Maybe yes, maybe not. The results and the game maybe look like this, but I don't think so, because we are strong and we want to show this in the cup. We go to take the final.
What do you know about this team?
Now I don't know too much. I know they win last game 4-2, and that's it. But we have 3 days to get all the information and to be in shape in this game.
Thank you.
Bevakasha.
Thank you.